In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in CapCut using AI. By the end, you'll know how to replace a plain or distracting background with a polished, AI-generated scene that matches your style. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and the latest version of CapCut for the smoothest experience. Start by opening CapCut and heading into your project workspace. You can create a new project or open one you're already working on. Either way is fine. Next, add an image to your timeline or canvas. Choose a photo where your subject stands out clearly from the background. Good lighting and contrast help the AI separate the subject more accurately, and higher resolution images usually produce cleaner edges. With your image selected, look for the editing panel and scroll until you find the Change Background option. This is the AI tool that will keep your subject and swap the environment behind them. If you don't see it right away, make sure the image is selected. Then slowly scan through the AI or background-related tools. Now it's time to write your prompt. Think of this as giving the AI a clear, creative brief. Describe the mood, style, colors, and lighting you want. For example, you might say, ultra-clean 3D abstract background with smooth flowing geometric shapes, soft gradients, cinematic lighting, realistic depth, glossy surfaces, minimal and modern, seamless, and no text or logos. You can tweak the language to fit your brand or video style, mention color palettes, time of day, or atmosphere like moody, bright, or futuristic. The more specific you are, the closer the result will match your vision. Click Generate to let CapCut process your request. This sends your prompt and image to the AI, so avoid switching tasks or closing the app while it works. Now, wait for the results. Processing time can vary based on your internet speed and the complexity of your prompt, so give it a moment. If it's taking a while, that's normal. High-quality, detailed backgrounds often require a bit more time to render. When your background is ready, review the preview to make sure the subject edges look clean and the style matches your intent. If everything looks good, click Apply to commit the new background to your image. From here, you can continue refining your project, adjust brightness or color to match your overall edit, or lightly blur the background for extra depth. That's it. You've changed the background in CapCut using AI with a clean, professional finish. Try a few different prompts to discover what works best for your content and build a library of styles you can reuse.